DKDYNAMICS presents solar-powered Mars rover.
Hello friends, I am Rahul, coming with an interesting, amazing and fantastic project for you. I am fan of robots. Early classes, I am always fascinating about different robots. So friends, I am trying to make my own design of robots. So dear friends, the coming era is a robot and artificial intelligence. So friends, NASA also sent robot to the Mars, searching the sign of water and life, carry many different instruments and send picture to the control room on the earth. So friends, I am designing very simple solar powered Mars robot which moving on uneven surface and climb on the small stones and easily overcome the hurdles. Dear friends, making robot is very easy, but designing robot for particular task is challenging. I am making many robots, but all these robots never climb on small hurdle. So that I am designing robot which is highly flexible and stable. So friends, I am using 6 wheels. For 4 front wheel are mounted 90-degree angle and swing free. So back 2 wheels are fixed on 45-degree angle, and so that all 6 wheels are fixed in 45-degree angle. Now friend, for making solar power Mars robot, we require material for easily available in market. First, 8 inches by 6 inches wooden box. It is easily available in electrical shop. Second one, wooden strip, 6 wooden strip, 7 inches and fit the gear motor, and 6 wheels and 6 gear motor. Solar power panel 12 volt 700 milliampere and 6 steel screw and 1 inches. So friends, now start construction of solar power Mars robot. Connecting 2 strips in 90-degree angle in this way, making 2 90-degree angle wheel holder. Second, and fixed like this, and fixed wooden strip at 45-degree at back to the wooden box. Fix the motor by making hole in the wooden strip, then insert the motor and fix the using glue. Then mounting the 6 wheels, try to maintain the ground position of the wheels so that all wheels are touching on ground for better friction. Connecting the motor in parallel to each other. Then mounting the solar panel and connect the wire to the motors and hold the solar panel by double-sided tape. You can also connect the rechargeable battery, and you can also left-right movement of robots by using 4-channel wireless controller and simple joystick controller like this. I hope you make solar power Mars robot. Learn more about robotics design and also winning prize in your science exhibition. For any question, mail me. For any detail, log on to www.dkdynamics.com and please share my video and subscribe my video for more interesting project. Until then, goodbye.